Hello, it's me, Ukulele Sean, and in today's video, we're going to be learning how to play He Lives in You from The Lion King. Now, the song consists of 5 chords in total, and they are the A minor chord. To play the A minor, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4. Strings 4 is the string which is closest to our face, and frets number 2 is the second box along, and then simply strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is our A minor chord. The next chord is the G major chord. To play the G major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 1. Strings 1 is the string which is closest to the ground. Place fingers number 3 on frets number 3 of strings 2. Then place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 3. Then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the G major chord. The next chord is the D minor chord. To play the D minor, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4. Strings 4 is the string which is closest to our face. Then place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 3. Then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 2. Then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is our D minor chord. The next chord is the F major chord. To play the F major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4. Then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 2. Then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the F major. And last but by no means least, the C major chord. To play the C major, place fingers number 3 on frets number 3 of strings 1, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this, and they are the 5 chords used for today's song. Now, the suggested strumming pattern for this song is down, up, down like this. Now, if you find that too hard, then there's absolutely nothing wrong with just strumming down per chord change. Now, to know when to change those chords, my buddy Jerry the Shark will land on each of the chords when it is time to change. You'll see a letter above the word in the song, that is the chord, and Jerry will land on that letter, and that's when to change your chord. So let's give this a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Night, and the spirit of life calling out the Pio, Bella of the Pio. With the fear of a child answers up a Pio, Bella of Pio. Wait, there's no mountain to raise. Hear the words and have faith. Have faith, have faith, Ela, Pamela, Ela, Pamela, Ela, Pamela, Ela, He lives in you, He lives in me, He watches over everything